Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth, share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm a create grow platform. You see it. So I man come across a story in the media where the Chinese government we see a headline here with the Richie Stevens celebrating Babsy. No better fish, no better barrel rasta. See? So the Chinese government I demand Jamaica do more. Or some farmer demand them a put on Jamaica. You know, regarding crime and violence, because such amount 100 Chinese dead since what, 2016? I wonder if them observe how much Jamaican died. I mean, no disrespect. We respect every loss of life. Same way, we mourn and we not accept it. But we are say, I wonder if them account how much Jamaican meet them demise through the said thing. No, I doubt that. I know they do, but them now go factor that in for them way of thinking or make that be any reason for them demand change. See? Because we know black people life no matter nothing to them. We see from during the pandemic how them observe black people and how them treat black people and things like that. I look for the article but I can't find it. You see it? So I go on freestyle. See? We see how them treat black people during the pandemic, and some man or some people might see it as some, like, we don't know how some people see it, because again, you know, nobody, them still free to roam as far as we concerned regarding them people here, you know. You know, see, so them a demand more because 100 Chinese dead since 2016. Well, China, hear what me want to tell you now. I am surprised it's not more. And that I want to know. I am shocked that it's not more since 2016 compared to how much I dropped through the same crime and violence because of the same corrupt government who want to shore up and facilitate and embrace and endorse. Knowing so well then, from on a platform just like how I call if a life. Seeing just like how I call for consequence for phone people. If you did ask the same consequence to Jamaican people, probably it wouldn't happen to phone one. So now sit down and allow the carelessness to fester. And now when it come knock pan on a blood clot doorstep, you not come talk about Jamaica fi do better, Jamaica fi do this and Jamaica. When? Tell me when and how now them all look like I can't see alright to the youth them respect for them life. So I don't know how them all respect your life. I want to tell you say them show a lot of respect so far. And that's the reason say them love themselves less than how them love outsider in a lot of cases, in a lot of races, in a lot of societies. It's the reverse. You see it? So we can't full stand them conflict there. And we can't full stand your standpoint where you make your claim from. You know, see it. You don't put no value upon the Jamaican life down there. You don't make no farmer suggestion. You don't see it. You never interject yet. I say nothing like that when Jamaicans drop by the thousands yearly. 100 and dead in the space of 6 years. And your heart hurt you and you claim say you want a good as something you look for thief. You don't want to demand some more land for that. I go that what I want no intention. I sacrifice them down the send come to Jamaica. Because anything that look much money on the drop on the government were responsible for the country for ensure that them remain in a power. You know see it? Look how much business deal, how much respect on the show them people where around the system where cause 100 of them dead since 2016. See? Like me I say, if I did try address, not even address, advice, on some level, on social intervention, like we want to thrive pan, because we manage to get 4 people for work for next to nothing, and we collect the bulk of the money and put it in the economy and grow China to what it is today. Probably if we did try influence some of them politicians in these ways, the youth them wouldn't have that propensity, that ease with the ease with which them take a life and the little and no value when them put upon the life of them ordinary Jamaicans. How comes that is not a concern, has never been a concern of yours, you know? And then when I say you're audacious, if you talk about your 100 Chinese them where drop out, you know. We not say that. But oh no mention or make no mention to the suggestion, I don't have nothing to do it. We're not responsible for common Jamaican and regular Jamaican where I drop out. With Jamaican a dash way. See? We never see the signs. That's why I tell you say something I look for thief, you know. We go to one land now as compensation for that. We never see the signs. No, I don't know how the main operator them on the port, the wharf where most of the gun them come through. We never see the signs. No, it's not normal. It's the level of double standard we are going here, so. It should show you is evident of the little or no value we want to put on black people life. Seeing? It's a joke this. When it's a joke, when it's a this blood clot disgrace. When if you just move and go near when you fly and dog and then sit there when you used to near. Because we know it's a whole heap of dog and donkey bone and get final but in Jamaica where it's unusual, highly unusual. We never used to see them sitting there. We never used to see the magnitude there at dog skeleton. You see it, we say they have a complaint about the junker them again, say them get less and less. And nobody don't know how, cause nobody never used to, we don't know how, but probably you know name with them for name. No, we don't respect neither Rasta. There is no mention of the thousands of Jamaicans we are dead a year. No, but I mean, every respectful, every rational nation or international bodies would have make some form or represent some suggestion regarding that to Rasta no human life, them to own alone a human. Take them back, no man, bumbo clout, when they carry them go back to China. I want to know. Carry them back down there, so safe. It's safer for them down there. Other country there where you can try send them go Rasta. That if you do, what you expect from corrupt Jamaican government? We want to help for faster. What do you expect? Like I say, we never see the signs all along. I saw for no intelligence dim, and that not sure we say, on dark and no sense, on not pay attention to the climate. We not send on people, you know. On never see that, on never observe that. On fuck on no. That me have to tell you, dirty China. That me have to tell you. Yeah. What you mean? Next thing, when crime happen against Chinese or people like Uno, the last one that happened the other day where it look like it's an agent of some sort from down there because we don't know how him now be. We'll wait till it reach the 100. Like it not seal the figure for go sub up and talk about it. And they did that wait all along and I count to 98, 99. When it reach 100, we are gonna say something. 100, yeah, time for make a press release about crime towards Chinese in Jamaica. What you expect? You're lucky if Jamaican and black people did love themselves more. No Chinese wouldn't there Jamaica, you know. You see it? Because of them are the entrepreneur and them are and the corruption will entertain them again. And they will them benefit from. It's obvious. And Jamaican people and Jamaican youth them not have them access there to the corruption because anyone aware, anybody from the diaspora, any Jamaican from the diaspora who want to start a business in Jamaica, remember me tell you, if you did have them the criteria there for me, you wouldn't have so much people at Jamaica if it was a broad brush thing. You wouldn't have so much people down there because it wouldn't make no sense. So we don't understand how corrupt government see it makes sense for we and it not make sense for uno. For entertain uno, for uno money better. You know see it? Then yeah. We can't look on it another way. We are not idiot, Rasta. You know see it? If Jamaicans, black people, and a world they love themselves more. There is no way one would want to take a plane out of China, go to any black country with the rate of crime and violence where we apply towards each other. You see, if it was the case where I self-hate, if on a nature for belittle and dehumanize us, never so high. You know, it's a success. I want to, science towards I people. Why you cannot complain about 100 people? I'm surprised. I don't know. So if you say, if you ask, if you say, we're still fortunate because only 100 are dead. That if a blood clot say, you know, see it. That you should have said this day, yeah, you should not jump up and talk about, Jamaica need to do something because 100 Chinese, your blood clot. Look how much black people, look how much Jamaican dead over the period. How many thousands? I can give you a rough estimate. Over 6,000, over 8,000, probably 10,000 Jamaican dead from the same crime and violence. You know, see, you know, observe, say, the last one were dead the other day. Yeah. Within days, you hear the police say, them make a breakthrough. They make a breakthrough in them investigation regarding the perpetrator them. If the mind shall buy now the whole of them, they are prison. You know, see, one happened couple years ago where the youth them going at the store somewhere down I don't remember where. And them going stick a Santa Cruz and them going at the store and slap with the Chinese man. At the day that day, yeah, police slap with the last one where them look for. I don't know what them do with the rest, you know. But we know so the rest get a measure of the law too. I mean, a discipline from the law. Either you be imprisonment or, you know, or what. We know that. You know, but it's distasteful with the value where you put on your people and human life, not considering I life. Seeing while the destruction towards I was always obvious and in the news. And you endanger your people them. You send your agent them in a arm's way. You know see it? You know, yeah. You put your people them in a arm's way, man, where you come blame corrupt government where you know it's a corrupt long time where you expect. Yeah, so you expect the double standard to spread out. You look like Jamaica government premises and them that plant police and security guard and your people them store and shop to protect them. So that's that level of crime. No, you never mention that or make no suggestion or show no concern towards that. When you farm no policy to come suck poor people blood like vampire. You know, see, because we don't eat everything, you know. And we don't know if black flesh are one of them or part of them. We don't know if it somewhere I want to believe that the melanin might benefit, you know, if we don't eat it. We don't know. We don't know, Rasta. You know, see it. We don't know. We just don't know. You know, see it. Because, you know, see, we as animal, I want to eat every animal. So why we feel like so well then? You know? Because we are walk on 2 foot and we can verbalize. We won't be eaten. No, Rasta, we can't say that. We are stupid to think like that. Yeah, we don't know if that's a part of the thing. You see it. You put your people in the arms way because this thing you don't know it a go on, Rasta. And you know, you come complain and come talk about Jamaica to do better where you want special treatment. You want, yeah. So the double standard, we don't get special treatment already. So obviously it's not enough. It's inadequate. And that's not complain about. But you know, could have bright and out than a rascal. Send for your people, them, Rasta. Send for your people, them. The people, them, for know so well, then. You put them in an arm's way. And you purposely do it. Yeah? You purposely do it because you did no long time, Rasta. You know, see it? Yeah. And one thing, just by talking, just by saying, oh, I hear that thing that don't stop happening. Wake up out of your illusion, your dream, with your loose threats, baseless threats. What you gonna do about it? What can you do? You know, see it? Do make we see, no? Yeah, man. Out of that, I can't find the article and I don't need to find it neither. I think I say enough on the subject. You know, see it? You know, it's like a joke when you come out and I get this day a Rasta. You know, see it? It's like I go in at the sea and I said the sea too wet. And I give thanks. Rastafari.